Custom messages tied to ARCOS callouts can provide the contacted employee with information beyond what is included in the general messaging used by the ARCOS outbound or inbound voice response unit or VRU. General messaging typically includes the type and location of the callout and the callout reason.
This is a normal callout. The callout reason is customer outage.
Additional information about the situation can be provided by including a custom message with the callout. Custom messages may be created in advance. You could pre-record custom messages that could be selected and used repeatedly, saving precious minutes that would be spent recording the message in real time during callout creation, like this one.
Hello. This callout is for a tree crew to perform emergency tree trimming. After accepting this callout, please call the Norfolk Operating Center for the location where the tree crew is needed. Thank you.
Or custom messages can be created on the fly. This would allow for truly situation-specific details to be communicated by ARCOS with the callout. There are several ways to create a custom message, but perhaps the most convenient would be to use text-to-speech functionality. Text-to-speech reads a message you have typed using your keyboard and converts it to a spoken message. So, how can you create a custom message? If you're creating the custom message in advance of needing to use it, navigate to the Callout tab and from there hit the Custom Messages button. Use the drop-down to select the message type. On the Message Admin page, click Record New Message. ARCOS will automatically assign a message ID number and apply your system defaults to the new message. We'll look at those defaults as well as several other fields on the message in a moment. Enter a name for your message in the description field. In the Recording Console pane of the Message Detail page, click on HTML5 Audio and then click on TTS. The recording controls will open the text entry field where you'll type in the message that you want converted to a voice recording. Type the message into the text box. When you've entered the entire message text, hit Convert. Don't worry, ARCOS will let you hear the message and edit it as needed before it is saved for use. Playback of the rendered voice message will begin immediately after conversion, so make sure your speaker volume is set high enough for you to hear it.
Outage reported at 7 Fairway Street, Nashville. Pole is down. Police and fire are on scene. Area has been cleared and made safe. Park at 9 Fairway Street in the elementary school parking lot.
If you need to listen to the recording again, hit play. If you need to tweak what you've typed so that the conversion clearly conveys your message, just edit the text in the data entry field and hit Convert again. Do this until you're satisfied with the message.
Outage reported at 7 Fairway Street, Nashville. Pole is down. Police and fire are on scene. Area has been cleared and made safe. Park at 9 Fairway Street in the elementary school parking lot.
Notice that you can choose the voice and speed you want to apply to the recording that will be created. You can try out different setting combinations by converting the text to speech several times until you get it just right.
Outage reported at 7 Fairway Street, Nashville. Pole is down. Police and fire are on scene. Area has been cleared and made safe. Park at 9 Fairway Street in the elementary school parking lot.
Before you save your message, let's cover the system defaults and other message options first. Check the box in the Message Properties pane if this message will only be used in your current location. If your intent is to reuse this message repeatedly, make sure the Purge checkbox is unchecked. If your system default setting would allow a saved custom message to be overwritten, but you want to prevent that from happening to the message you just created, you'll want to uncheck the box beside Edit Overwrite Message in the Message Properties pane. Now you can save the message. In the recording console, check the Allow Overwriting checkbox and then hit Upload in the recording console controls. At this point, if you needed to, you could create a callout or siren notification using the message you just created right here from the message detail screen. Otherwise, go ahead and create another custom message that you would use repeatedly. But what if you need to create a custom message on the fly while you're creating a callout? Well, let's walk through that scenario. So you've begun to create a callout. You'll notice the HTML5 audio link in the entry area for a custom message on the Callout Create page. Click on that link and then click on TTS. The TTS recording options appear. This should look familiar. Create the message in the same way you created the message moments ago. Type the text of the message into the data entry field, choose your voice and speed, and hit Convert.
We have a car hit pole situation at Main Street and Broadway. Emergency personnel are on their way. Report immediately to on-site supervisor.
Review and re-record the message until you're satisfied with it. Hit Upload. You'll be prompted to enter a description. After you've done that, hit OK. Your custom message will be attached to your callout, so finish building the callout and submit it. Depending on your ARCOS system default settings, the custom message you just created may be flagged for automatic purging after 24 hours. You can check this and other message settings on the Message Admin page. Hit the Custom Messages button and then select the custom message type to return to Message Admin and review the message. For more information on custom messages, refer to the online documentation or contact your supervisor for assistance.